guys, it's me, J Lucas Vlogs here, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some popular sound effects that actually a lot of YouTubers use. And guys, I'm still doing the free subscriber giveaway, and if you guys are wondering, it ends by the end of summer. So yeah guys, all you have to do to win free subscribers is to like this video, subscribe, and also comment down below that you subscribed, and you will be immediately entered into the free subscriber giveaway. So yeah guys, you can also comment down below what you thought of the video, and or what you want me to do for my next video. Feel free to do that too, but without further ado, let's just get straight into the video.
Hey, how are you here?